Introducing the 2022 Skoda Octavia STY 1.0tsi Saloon in sleek grey. This powerful 110 horsepower 5-door vehicle is perfect for those seeking a combination of style, comfort and safety. Equipped with a range of luxurious features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation and Bluetooth phone connectivity, driving this car is a breeze. And with security features like collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags, your safety is our top priority. Plus, the chrome package and luxury trim add a touch of sophistication to the exterior and interior, making heads turn wherever you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional offer. Call us now or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information. Upgrade your driving experience with the 2022 Skoda Octavia STY 1.0tsi.